Meaning of heathen.
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 Heathen. The term heathen is typically used to describe an individual who does not adhere to any of the major monotheistic religions such as Christianity, Judaism, or Islam. It is often considered a derogatory term, implying that the person is uncivilized or primitive. The term has historically been used by those with religious beliefs to refer to those who they view as outside their own faith and therefore inferior. In modern times, the use of the term heathen is generally discouraged in polite conversation due to its negative connotations and offensive nature.